It's time to say goodbye to all the errors you face while sideloading apps on your iPhone or iPad using Scarlet, eSign or any other method. Because today I'm going to tell you about a method with no limitations and no revoke problem. This means you can install unlimited apps outside the app stores without any revoke issues on your iPhone or iPad. So without any further delay, let's start this video. Firstly, go to this website. I have given its link in description and pin comment also. Once you are on this website, click on get and then click on share button on your Safari and add to your home screen. After that, you will get the FlexStore icon on your home screen. Open that and allow notification. There you will see a lot of apps that you can install directly from FlexStore only. There are a lot of options like social media, games, emulator, music, movies, etc. And if you want to add your own IPA repository here to access all the IPAs within the FlexStore without searching on Safari or anywhere else, just click on plus icon in the top right corner and paste the link of the repository and then click on OK. Then after some seconds, the repository will be added here and you can access the apps within it. I will provide all the links of the repository in my Telegram channel. So make sure you join us there for more exclusive content. And here is one more option to install apps if the app is not available in the FlexStore library or in any repository. Then you can install it from sign option here. But before you install apps using FlexStore, you will need to set up it first. For that, go to devices option and click on add device and then click on allow. After that, open your settings app. There you will get profile download option at the top. Click on that and then click on install and enter your passcode here. After that, click on install again in the top right corner, and once you get success page like this, close your browser and open the FlexStore again. Then you will get interface like this in the devices section, where you will get the UDID of your device and certificate premium accesses option. But if you are using it for first time, you will get a red cross in the place of the green tick I am getting in front of certificate and premium option under your UDID. So to set up it, you will get 3 options in the place of certificate below, but in my iPad those 3 options are not showing here. So let me move to my mobile to show you guys how to set up the certificate here. In the 3 options, you will get the developer certificate and premium access option in the first, which I am using this from almost last 3 years, and trust me guys, it's worth every single penny. In the second option, you will get the developer account option, and in the third option, you can add your own certificate there. If you decide to go with the third option, make sure the certificate you are using is in good signed condition and not revoked. If you don't know how to check whether the certificate is revoked or not, let me know in comments, I will help you with that. So in third option, to add your own certificate, click on that and upload the required files here and enter the P12 password. That's it. But I suggest you to go with the first option rather than struggling to find a good certificate or spending too much on Apple developer account. Once you have the certificate, you are ready to install apps using FlexStore. Let's try to install firstly from the app section of FlexStore. For that, just select the app that you want to install. For example, let's try to install PPSSPP here. Once you select the app, you will get the 4 options: sign, duplicate, settings and download. With the sign and duplicate option, you can install the app, one as regular and another as duplicate, in case you want to install dual apps. With the setting option, you can edit the name of the app and icon. And with the download option, you can save the IPA file of this app in your files. Now let's try to install it. Just click on sign app, then wait a few seconds. Then you will get pop-up to install. Click on install and return to your home screen. There you will see the app has started installing on your device, and once installed, it will work perfectly. Now let's try to install app from the sign option. But before that, if you want to install from sources, the process is same. Just select the app from the repository there, then click on sign and then install. But to install apps from signer option, the steps are a little bit different. Firstly, you will need to select the IPA file of the app that you want to install. In my case, I am trying to install Scarlet. You will get the same option to customize app name and icon. After you are done, just click on sign app and wait a few seconds. Then you will get a pop-up. Just click on install and return to your home screen. There you will see the app is installed on your device without any problem and working perfectly. If you want to add a certificate in any other app outside the FlexStore, you will just need to download the certificate from FlexStore and import it to another app, whether that is Scarlet, eSign, Gbox or any other. There is one more feature in the FlexStore settings, like this is common one, changing the dark mode or theme If you don't like dark mode, just turn off, and in the color theme you can select any color that you love, and that's it. This was all about FlexStore, and trust me guys, it is going to be the best side loading method of 2025 because it has no limitations or errors. So that's all for today's video. I hope you love this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe Region of Tech for more helpful tech contents like this. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.